Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a tour of my house, and I'm going to be splitting this video into part 1 and 2 just so that it's not so long. If you guys are interested in seeing how I have my home decorated and set up, then stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. So this is my master bedroom coming in, and the first thing you see is my bed. And I have a sleigh bed, and I've had this bed for several years. And on either side of the bed I have my nightstands. I got those at IKEA, and I have these mercury glass lamps, and above that I have a mirror. If you guys have seen my makeup vanity tour, I used to have that desk over here, and I disassembled it because I felt like it was taking up too much room, and the space just felt really tight and cluttered, and I didn't like that. And I wasn't really using the vanity too often, so I figured it would just be best to disassemble it and make the space more open. So in place of that, I put this little faux velvet bench that I got from Burlington Coat Factory, I believe. And I just have like a little fur blanket on there that I got from Pier 1. And just this cute little rug that I got from Walmart. And then I just left this mirror that was already hanging there because I thought it looked kind of cute like that. And over here I have my TV and my TV stand. I got this TV stand from IKEA, and I liked that it was white and it was small, and it just looks very clean. And most of the decor inside I got from Hobby Lobby. These two doors are to the closet, and this side is my husband's side and this side is my side. I've given you guys a tour of the closet before, so if you're interested in that video, it's in the playlist. I have a bookcase that I also got from IKEA, very reasonably priced. And I just have my daughter's diapers and little pads that we put on the bed in case she has an accident. And I just have some decor and some books, because I usually try to read every night, and I wanted a place to be able to put them and not just have things everywhere. This is the window, and it goes up pretty high. And I tried to put little accent pieces with that mercury glass. So the corners of the curtain rods are actually mercury glass. This corner I have some artwork that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the frame was like mirrored. This is my side of the bed, and again I just have another IKEA little cabinet here. I did keep all of my makeup in my nightstand, and I got rid of quite a few products, so I was able to fit everything into this one cabinet. And this is the hallway outside leading into the master bedroom. And I just have these little metal frames and a picture of when I was pregnant with my daughter. And across from the master bedroom is my daughter's room. I have another IKEA little organization toy storage unit here. My sons have the same exact one in their bedroom. And above that, I just have some little artwork, like a little gallery. And then she has her little play kitchen right there. And I just have like another little plastic Sterilite storage unit where she puts like her dishes and her fake food. And this is her bed. And I got these cute little decorations, these little streamers I got from a 99-cent store. And I got these little sticker decals from Home Depot because she likes Dory. And then this is just another wall with more artwork, and then a unicorn poster that I saved from her birthday. On the other side is the office area. We have a TV in this area as well. It's kind of like a multi-purpose room. We have another TV stand just like the one in the master bedroom that we got from IKEA, and I just try to keep the decor just really simple, and most of the things on here are from Hobby Lobby. And this is the decor on this wall. I got these 3 pieces from Target. This is from Hobby Lobby, and this one I believe I got from Burlington Coat Factory. And next to that is the bookcase where I keep the printer and a few little pictures and decor. And this is the desk. I love this lamp. I got this lamp from Home Goods. And just keep the laptop there and just keep it real simple. And in this corner is just another bookcase that I got from IKEA as well. It's just like the one in the master bedroom. I just have some pens and highlighters up there. Just a couple of books. My boys' bedroom, and I have a video on my channel of that if you guys are interested in seeing what that looks like and how I have everything set up. So this is the upstairs, and part 2 will be what's downstairs, so that's coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of my house tour part 1, and part 2 will be coming right after this video, and part 2 is just going to be of what I have downstairs. And downstairs we have a living room, a family room, and then the kitchen. So be on the lookout for that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, you found it entertaining, so I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye!